in Mr. Y, with your money your way. truality.wallet.me is live and ready for you to download. Be the first to get it for absolutely free. Manage your finances simply and securely with an app that puts your entire financial world in the palm of your hand and is totally all yours for free. Track your balance, pay bills, set spending goals, and get smart, personalized tips all in one easy, secure place. truality.wallet.me is 100% free, always. And I mean free, no false advertising with Truality. Want to learn more? Visit truality.finance for exclusive vlogs, blogs, and valuable insights to help you master your money mindset. And don't forget to subscribe while you're there. Join our growing community, share your feedback, and help shape the app to make it even more user-friendly. Be part of building the financial tool you love. Your input helps create a better experience for everyone. Download truality.wallet.me today and take control of your money like never before. Go to truality.finance now and get started and subscribe for full access. If you love truality.wallet.me, share your story, invite your friends, and help build a community that grows stronger together at truality.finance and subscribe today. truality.wallet.me, your money, your reality, your future. And I'm Mr. Y.